If you love making bead bracelets and necklaces, you have got to check out this really cute kit. There are 3,400 clay beads in here. I cannot believe it. And oh, we got to open it on this side. I love that everything is nice and organized. Okay, so this is kind of tough to open. That's good because I don't want it to accidentally open and then all these beads spill all over the place. Love that they're in their little compartments based on color. I think it's really eye-catching and fun. And then one of the really cool things is, so here you have your letters. I do love that you have like the plain old black ones here, but then you've got the really nice pretty gold ones here. But check these out. I'm only going to put a couple of them out, maybe right here. So you have a few like little charms here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not too sure because they're like so similarly close to the color of my table. But you've got all kinds of different charms. So you've got some big ones here. You've got like little stars. Obviously these all have the holes for you to put through. But one of the coolest things about this kit is it even comes with the clasps. I feel like a lot of these kits don't come with those and you have to get those separately. So the fact that they have some of those mixed in here is really great. And of course, as you can see right here, you do have your string and look at, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to make myself a nice like little shell necklace. Feels very Caribbean vibes right here because I used to have one of these when I was younger. So you do have some string. It's not a ton of string, but obviously it's enough to get you started. I do love that they do have an empty box, right? Or like a little slot right here for the string so that you can keep everything nice and organized. So if you are a fan of beading and crafting, this is so awesome.